the resume, it goes in the trash. It just covers the lining of the trash. And so don't send in applications. Don't do that. It's an embarrassment.
What value does a resume and cover letter have in getting someone hired for a job? So based on all your thoughts, I'm sure you got a quick answer for that.
Yeah. People hire people, not resumes. So you got to know someone. If you could do that, you could get a job and you might have a really clever cover letter, but the cover letter would have to have somebody you know in that. The resume, it goes in the trash. It just covers the lining of the trash. And so don't send in applications. Don't do that. It's an embarrassment.
That is so funny. You know what's crazy about this, Bob? Like, you're right. That's what they teach in schools. I mean, I went all the way to the highest level of academia. It's such nonsense. I remember coming out of college, I spent a whole summer with resumes and cover letters, and I got the job at the #1 investment company in the world, Vanguard Group. That was my gateway into this business, but I didn't get it because of the cover letter. It was through an HR person that I was nice with. I'm sorry, what were they called? Headhunters. It was a headhunter. I was nice to the person and they got me in.
Of course.
Thinking about what you said, I'm like, you know what? I spent all those hours and thousands of resumes. You're right. That was such a waste of time. If I knew what you taught me in that Power of Who 20 years ago, we probably would have met 15 years ago.
We would have. Exactly.